let's talk about avocados, specifically Haas avocados. Haas are the dominant avocado in U.S. stores and make up 95% of the avocado crop in the U.S. and 80% of the crop worldwide. The avocado crop itself is 10,000 years old and originates from Mexico, Guatemala, and the West Indies, with the Haas originating in California in the 1920s. Now, avocados are grown in tropical and subtropical climates around the world. Peak avocado season runs from late winter to spring, but in particularly tropical climates, they can be grown year-round. Avocado go from green to brown as they ripen. A perfectly ripe avocado should be murky brown with some green tint. They should give to light pressure from your fingertips, but still have some firmness without any concaving from the flesh. Dried out brown patches on the skin can also be signs that your avocado is overripe. The stem cap is possibly the best overall indicator. If the cap does not come off easily, your avocado isn't ripe yet. Underneath the stem cap should still be green and alive. If you remove the cap and underneath is brown or moldy, your avocado is either bruised or overripe. To help ripen your avocado, you can place them in a brown paper bag in a warm area of your kitchen. For even faster ripening, put a ripe piece of fruit in the bag with the avocados. Once they're ripe, keep them in the fridge and don't take them out until you are ready to eat them, as repeated changes in temperature can cause premature browning. Once avocados are cut, they will brown quickly with exposure to oxygen. Storage in an airtight container and mixing with acids such as lime juice will help combat this. They can be used for dressings, guacamole, as a creamy element in salads or sandwiches, or even to make a vegan buttercream icing. Hope you learned a few tips on how to best utilize your avocado. If you want us to cover another fruit or vegetable, comment it down below. If you learned something from this video, give us a like and a subscribe. Happy cooking, everyone.